Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a rugged voice. First, we will explore the basic mechanics of vocal production. Then, we will dive into easy, actionable steps you can take to develop a deeper, more textured sound. We'll cover essential preparation and specific vocal techniques. By the end, you will have a clear roadmap for achieving a more rugged vocal presence. Proper hydration is fundamental for vocal health. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout your day to keep your vocal cords supple. Before any vocal practice, dedicate 5 minutes to gentle humming and lip trills. This warms up your voice and prevents strain. Also, ensure your jaw and neck are relaxed to allow for free vocal movement. To achieve a rugged sound, gently explore your vocal fry. This is the lowest register of your voice, often described as a creaky sound. Practice speaking from your diaphragm, pushing air from your core, not your throat. This creates a fuller, more resonant tone. Also, try slowing your speaking pace slightly, which adds weight and authority to your voice. Consistency is key to developing a rugged voice. Dedicate 10 to 15 minutes each day to these exercises. Recording yourself is incredibly helpful. It allows you to objectively hear your progress and pinpoint areas needing refinement. Start by using your new voice for short periods, gradually increasing the duration as it becomes more natural. Patience and persistence will yield results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.